In this video, we take a look at what analysts are saying about NEO stock. What is happening, guys? Dean here. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just someone who really enjoys researching stocks and making these videos. In fact, making these videos have slowly become my favorite part of the day. And when I'm not making them, I'm thinking about making them or researching what to put in them. So please give us a like and subscribe. I do put a lot of effort into these. There is a lot of time taken in researching what I tell you, because I always want to make sure I'm putting forward true, relevant information. You should always do your own research before investing, but take my channel as a platform where I can just share what I've found, save you a bit of time, but still always do your own research. With that being said, let's get into NEO. For the five of us who don't know who NEO is, and I say us because we're a community, we're all here for the same thing, and that's making money, so we might as well help each other make money. I know that's what I'm trying to do, and I bet because you're watching this video, that's what you're also trying to do. NEO is an electric car company based in China. They are a relatively newer company, being founded in 2014. Since then, they have been developing autonomous driving and were giving an autonomous driving testing permit in California in 2016. This allowed them to test their autonomy on public roads. Fast forward to May 2018 and NEO opened their first battery swap station in China. The idea NEO had is when you pull up to one of these stations, they simply replace your empty battery and put in a full one. So you can up and go straight away, just like you're filling up your tank, instead of having to wait for a charger or have to create infrastructure to support charging of these vehicles. That same year, NEO went public after filing for a $1.8 billion initial public offering on the New York Stock Exchange. There is so much more to talk about when it comes to NEO, but that's not what this video is about. This video is about price targets, stock action, and what the analysts are saying the next 12 months of this stock will look like. If you want me to make an in-detail video covering who NEO is and what they do, let me know in the comments. I'm happy to do that. Let's take a look at NEO stock and see, can we make money? All right, let's have a look here. As you can see, we've had another green day. We're up 3.66% to $43.08 USD. The run up for this stock over the past month has been ridiculous. We're up just under 100% in just 1 month. That is crazy. It's even more crazy when you consider that a year ago, we were trading in the $2 mark. In fact, we had a 52-week low of $1.66. That is insane. Look at this run up. All right, I've just jumped into CNN Business and take a look at what analysts have to say. 17 analysts offer a 12-month price forecast for NEO and have a median target of $155.80. That is crazy high. They are clearly bullish on this stock, and I'll tell you something, so am I. Look at this. The highest forecast these analysts have is $310. That's over 615% from where we are today in just 12 months. Those are the type of gains you can only dream of. Look, we just need to make it clear. These analysts do not always have it right. And me personally, I don't see us hitting the 310 mark, but the 150, yeah, it's possible. I can see that happening. Scroll down a bit to the analyst recommendations. Out of 16 analysts, we have 9 recommending to buy, 4 saying to hold, and 2 telling you to sell. What amazes me about this situation is, as I mentioned earlier, we were at under $2 per share within the last 52 weeks. Now you have analysts saying the stock will go up to $150, and we're already up to $43 a share in just a year. And what's even crazier is we have negative earnings of minus $1.18 per share. Our sales are $4.4 billion, which is good. Look guys, this is not financial advice, but I'm personally looking at opening a decent position in NEO. I don't have one yet, but I think investing in NEO is a no-brainer. But you never know. This stock could do a 180 at any time. It is possible for us to have a sell-off. And if we see the low 30s again, I don't think we're ever going to see anything lower than that. If that does happen, I know what I'm going to do. I'm buying. I'm not necessarily going to wait for that sell-off though. I'm happy to open my position at current prices. And if I missed out and there is a sell-off, I will just buy more. There are some things to remember about these guys. They are not Tesla. They don't actually manufacture their vehicles. They have a contract with a manufacturing company, and NIO covers any losses that company has. However, this isn't necessarily a bad thing to have the vehicles externally manufactured, but it's something that you should keep in mind. Now, the Chinese government does have some money in this, and we all know that these guys don't want to see their investment go down. So they'll probably be doing a lot to make sure NIO gets to where they need to be. China right now is selling 1 million EV cars a year. But by 2025, they're saying that number could be more like 6 million electric cars being sold a year. That is 6 times where we're at now. And for that reason, I perfectly agree with these high prices because this is a growth stock. We're not factoring in what the company is doing. People are predicting what the company is going to do. Well, hey, they're trying to at least. Growth stocks typically have 5 to 7 years of growth priced into their stock price, and we're seeing that with NIO. But I'll tell you something, that's not uncommon. Tesla's in the same boat. Tesla has the future priced into their stocks. That's how it works. Everyone's trying to predict the future. Everyone's trying to get ahead of the market. In turn, we trade in a future market, if that makes sense. What I'm trying to say here is people don't wait for the results. Everyone's trying to beat each other. So people are buying earlier before these things happen to try predict the market, to try beat the market and make more money. That's what we're seeing here. I am a huge bull in this company. I really wouldn't be surprised if we do hit those analyst targets of 150. That 300 one, I don't know. I mean, sure, once I open up my position, I hope we do. Of course I hope we do. That percentage change is huge. Just to put that in perspective, even the median growth of 150 is still 260% growth from our last price of $43.24 in 12 months. There's a big time investor, you might have heard of him, Warren Buffett. In his best years, he averages 30% returns. We're talking about 260% returns in a year. That's over 8 times the return Mr. Buffett's best years were. But hey, you know what they say, if it's too good to be true, it probably is. So keep it in your mind. This is risky, but if it pays off, it's going to pay off big. You know the saying, high risk, high reward. That's all for this video, guys. Let me know in the comments, what are your predictions for NIO? Do you agree with these analysts? Do you think we'll hit 150 in 12 months? Are you invested? Are you going to open a position? As always, please like and subscribe. It helps me out. My goal is 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. Have a good one, guys. See you next time.